What is business? A business is an economic activity that involves the exchange, purchase, sale, or creation of goods and services with the goal of profit and customer satisfaction. Business represents the backbone of any economy. A business is also can be described as an organization or enterprising entity that engage in professional, commercial, or industrial activities. There can be different types of business depending on various factors. Some are for profit, while some are non-profit. Similarly, their ownership also makes them different from each other. Business is also the efforts and activities of a person who is producing goods or offering services with the intent to sell them for profit. As our study is about the application of linear algebra in business, let me explain about the linear algebra. Linear algebra is a mathematical discipline that deals with vectors and matrices. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, points, or characters, each belonging to a specific row and column. A matrix is identified by its order, which is given in the form of rows and columns. The numbers, symbols, points, or characters present inside a matrix are called the elements of a matrix. The location of each element is given by the row and columns it belongs to.
For our case study, we will use Cramer's rule. Before that, what is Cramer's rule? Cramer's rule is a specific formula used for solving a system of linear equations containing as many equations as unknowns, efficient whenever the system of equations has a unique solution. This is the most commonly used formula for getting the solution for the given system of equations formed through matrices. The solution obtained using Cramer's rule will be in terms of the determinants of the coefficient matrix and matrices obtained from it by replacing one column with the column vector of the right-hand side of the equations. In this method, the values of the variables in the system are to be calculated using the determinants of matrices. Thus, Cramer's rule is also known as the determinant method. Our purpose of conducting this case study is first to improving financial analysis. Cramer's rule can be used to solve financial models involving linear relationship between variables, aiding in budgeting, forecasting, and investment analysis. Next is learning and development for students and professionals in business education. Understanding Cramer's rule and its application in business enhance their analytical skills and prepares them to complex problem-solving tasks in their career. Lastly, enhancing decision-making. By using Cramer's rule to solve linear equations, business professionals can make more informed and accurate decisions, whether it be in finance, marketing, operation, or strategic planning.
Problem statement. One day, Laila, Maisara, and Fauzana just came out of a supermarket and they is bumped into their teacher. The teacher asked, "What item did you buy?" Laila said, "I bought 3 notebooks, 4 bookmark, and 3 highlighter for RM22. Then Maisara said she bought 4 notebooks, 3 bookmarks, and 4 highlighter for the price of 27 ringgit. Then Fauzana continued, "I bought 2 notebooks, 3 bookmarks, and 1 highlighter for the price of RM12. And and 50 cents. With full curiosity, the teacher tried to find the price of each item when she returned home. Now, let's help the teacher find the price for each item. First, we assume notebook, bookmark, and highlighter as X, Y, and Z. Second, we derive all the linear equation where the first equation is from Laila, the second equation from Maisara, and the third equation from Fauzana. Then, we change the linear equation into the augmented matrix. So, we need to find the determinant of A, determinant A1, determinant A2, and determinant A3. First, to find the determinant of A, we use the cofactor expansion along the first row. Then, 3 times with minor 1, 1, minus 4 times minor 1, 2, plus 3 times minor 1, 3. Then, we get the value of determinant A is 7. Next, to find the determinant of A1, we must replace matrix B into the first column of matrix A. Then, we use the cofactor expansion along the first row. 22 times with a minor 1, 1, minus 4 times minor 1, 2, plus 3 times minor 1, 3. Then, the value of determinant A1 is equal to 17.5. For determinant of A2, we must replace matrix B into the second column of matrix A. We use the cofactor expansion along the first row. 3 times with minor 1, 1, minus 22 times minor 1, 2, plus 3 times minor 1, 3. Then we get 7 for determinant A2. Lastly, for determinant of A3, we must replace matrix B into the third column of matrix A. We also use the cofactor expansion along the first row. 3 times with minor 1, 1, minus 4 times minor 1, 2, plus 22 times minor 1, 3. Then for the determinant A3, we get 24.5. Then, to calculate X, Y, and Z, we will replace the value of all determinant into the formula. The result is, we get the value of X is equal to 2.5, Y equal to 1, and Z is equal to 3.5.
From our discussion, we can find out how much the cost for the notebook, bookmark, and highlighter by using Cramer's rules. We use the coefficient matrix from the equation to form a determinant. Then we name the determinants of the coefficient matrix as A, and solving using the Cramer's rules method. The answer for determinant A is 7. Next, we use the same method for the other determinants, determinants A1, determinants A2, and determinants A3. For each equation, we know that the total is equal to 22 ringgit, 27 ringgit, and 12 ringgit and 50 cents. We apply the Cramer's rules method to get the values of the variable X, Y, and Z. By solving the equations, we know that the cost of X, the notebook, is 2 ringgit and 50 cents. The cost of Y, the bookmark, is 1 ringgit, and the cost of Z, the highlighter, is 2 ringgit and 50 cents. In short, the problem statement can be solved by using Cramer's rules method in order to retrieve the answer. In conclusion, Cramer's rules is a mathematical method for solving system of linear equation using determinants. Its application in business includes optimizing resources, allocation, financial modeling, and decision-making process. Linear algebra, including Cramer's rules, can be applied in many areas of human life, such as engineering, physics, computer science, and economics, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in various analytical tasks and problem-solving scenarios.